Are you looking for a superfood that can transform your health? Chia seeds might be the tiny powerhouse you've been missing. In this video, we'll dive into 10 incredible benefits of chia seeds that can supercharge your body and mind. Stay tuned for some game-changing tips. Here are 10 powerful reasons why you need chia seeds in your life. Keep watching and enjoy the video. Number 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Chia seeds are loaded with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 south. Just 2 tablespoons provide over 10 grams of fiber and 4 grams of protein, boosting your energy and keeping you full. They're also rich in B vitamins and iron, making them a perfect addition to support overall health, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Number 2. Fights free radicals with antioxidants. Chia seeds are a top source of antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These powerful compounds combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from damage. This not only slows down aging, but also lowers your risk of diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Number 3. Enhances gut health. With over 30% of their weight in dietary fiber, chia seeds support gut health like no other. They promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, aid digestion, and prevent constipation. When mixed with water, they form a gel that soothes your digestive tract and regulates bowel movements for a healthier you. Number 4. Aids weight management. Trying to lose weight? Chia seeds are your best friend. Their high fiber content expands in your stomach, reducing hunger and cravings. Plus, their protein content keeps you energized and prevents muscle loss during weight loss. They're a natural appetite suppressant for long-lasting results. Number 5. Improves heart health. Chia seeds are one of nature's richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce bad cholesterol and triglycerides. They improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and prevent blood clots, reducing your risk of heart attack and stroke. Their potassium content further supports cardiovascular health. Number 6. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or preventing blood sugar spikes, chia seeds are a game changer. They slow the digestion of carbohydrates and sugar, providing a steady release of energy. Studies show that chia seeds can reduce insulin resistance and lower blood sugar after meals. Number 7. Strengthens bones and teeth. With 5 times more calcium than milk, chia seeds are perfect for strong bones and teeth. They're also packed with magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese essential minerals for bone density. Regular consumption can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and keep your joints healthy as you age. Number 8. Boosts energy and performance. Chia seeds were once a secret weapon of Aztec warriors for sustained energy and endurance. Today, they're a go-to for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats provides long-lasting energy without a crash, making them ideal for workouts or busy days. Number 9. Beautifies skin and hair. Chia seeds nourish your skin and hair from within. There is omega-3, reduce inflammation, and protect skin from sun damage, while antioxidants prevent wrinkles and fine lines. The zinc and protein in chia seeds also promote hair growth and strengthen your locks, giving you a radiant, healthy appearance. Number 10. Simple and versatile to use. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is effortless. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or bake them into bread and muffins. Their mild taste blends with almost any dish. Try making chia pudding with almond milk and honey for a healthy, delicious dessert that keeps you full for hours. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. From boosting your energy to protecting your heart, they're a must-have for a healthy lifestyle. Start adding them to your meals today and experience the benefits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your loved ones, and hit the subscribe button. Let's keep exploring wellness together. See you in the next video.